Welcome to Switzerland, a country known for its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and delicious chocolate. Join us on a journey to explore the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of this beautiful nation. First up, the Swiss Alps. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, the Alps offer something for everyone. From skiing in winter to hiking in summer, the majestic mountains are a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Next, let's explore Switzerland's charming cities. Zurich is known for its financial hub and vibrant art scene, while Geneva boasts stunning lakeside views and international organizations. Don't forget about Bern, the capital, with its medieval architecture and UNESCO World Heritage sites. No trip to Switzerland is complete without indulging in its famous cuisine. Try traditional fondue with melted cheese or raclette served with potatoes. And of course, treat yourself to some of the finest chocolate in the world. Switzerland is rich in culture and traditions. Experience local festivals like Fastnacht in Basel or the Montreux Jazz Festival. The Swiss are also known for their multilingualism. German, French, Italian, and Romansh are all spoken here. Planning your trip. Here are some tips. The Swiss travel system offers efficient public transport across the country. And don't forget to get a Swiss pass for unlimited travel on trains and buses. And remember, Switzerland is best explored at a leisurely pace. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through Switzerland. Whether you're drawn by its stunning landscapes, rich culture, or delicious food, this country has something magical for everyone. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.